I feel like it was always going to be SVSU, just based on the amount of family that went there, getting accepted into the school, and the scholarship offers that I had there. And while I looked at other schools, I felt like it was just always SVSU.
Okay.
I have the Founder Scholarship, which is based on that's the one that I have through SVSU, which is based on merit. And so, just like any scholarship, it's been a burden off the shoulders to just take down some of the financial costs of everything, making books more affordable, all of that. So it's been a blessing to have that.
And as a parent, right? To know, number one, that the students have options, right? That they do have scholarships, that they do have ways of reducing the cost. Is encouraging, and it motivates you as a parent to want to help, right?
Yeah.
Other students get their foot in the door, and then once in the door, right, the student themselves can take the pride in being able to maintain that scholarship.
It's a reward of working hard in high school and getting good grades, and you start getting this alumni stuff, which you're not really in a position sometimes to give. I think right now part of our giving is encouraging our kids, if they're looking at a field that SVSU has, encouraging them to go there, because then it keeps our spirit alive, and then we can see our kids go through it.
The things that I've seen, like you've said, right, and just in our kids going back there and seeing the changes and improvements, there's a sense of pride, and it makes you want to participate, in addition to just the great feeling you have knowing that you're helping someone get through school.